How to fix Qubo camera not scanning QR code. First, clean the camera lens. Make sure there's no dust, fingerprint, dirt, or protective film covering the Qubo camera lens. Gently clean the lens with a microfiber cloth. Step 2. Increase your phone's brightness. Set your phone's screen brightness to 100%. A dim display can make it difficult for the camera to read the QR code. Step 3. Adjust the distance between the phone and camera. Display the QR code on your phone and point the screen directly toward the Qubo camera lens. Start roughly about 15 to 20 centimeters, which is 68 inches away, and slowly move the phone backward and forward until the camera recognizes it. Step 4. Remove glare from the phone screen. Reflections can prevent the camera from seeing parts of the QR code. Move away from the direct sunlight or bright lamps and slightly change the phone's angle if you can see reflections on the display. Step 5. Make sure you're using 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Qubo states that the SmartCam 360 only works with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and doesn't support 5. Connect your phone to your router's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, return to the Qubo app, select the network, and enter its password and generate the QR code again. Step 6. Restart the Qubo setup. Unplug the Qubo camera from power, wait about 30 seconds, reconnect it, and wait for the camera to reboot. Open the Qubo app and select Add Device. Then begin the camera setup again. Qubo's manual specifically tells existing users to use Add Device to begin setup. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.